Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to make payment to supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688. But before that, someone reach out to me on my WhatsApp from my YouTube channel. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp right here. Then you see this is the person that asked me to make payment for them on 1688 Chinese shopping app. And I will go ahead and make the payment straight up, just like what you see right here. This is when they send their link and when we work on the link. So let's go ahead and see how we pay for this order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to exit from my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Have you opened up my 1688 Chinese shopping app? Next thing you need to do is to make sure you have add all the products to cart from different supplier. If you don't know how to add a product to cart from different supplier on 1688, consider to check the video out on my channel and see step-by-step video on how to add product to cart. After you have successfully add all the product to cart, go ahead and click on here to fill your cart. Then you're going to see all the products in your cart right here. Next thing you want to do is to select them one after the other. So I'm paying for this, 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 and I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, then, and I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and this, and this, then I'm paying for this, then I'm paying for this. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the preview right here, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. So I'm paying the sum of 562.29 yen to purchase all this. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I choose my means of payment right here, and I'm making payment with my Alipay. However, if you do not have Alipay, you can either use MasterCard or Visa card. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to payments. Allow the Alipay to connect. Go ahead and complete with your payment password. Payment done successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to screenshot this part of proof of payment. I'm going to make a screenshot. So having made a screenshot, I'll go ahead and click on here to close this bumper. Then by the time I click on here to go to my profile, all the products we make payment for, everything is going to be found right here. So all the payment I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find out. So by the time I refresh, so you're going to see all the products right here. It's that simple. You can see them right here, one after the other. Finally, I will go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on WhatsApp. So I'll click on here now, then select proof of payment and say payment made. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.